India's longest sea bridge, 21.8 kilometers across Thane Creek. I drove to it at 3 a.m. from Pune through monsoon rain in a Tata Punch EV. The alarm went off at 2:55 in the morning. I was on the road at 3:40. The Mumbai-Pune expressway was empty. India's first 6-lane expressway, 94 kilometers built across the Western Ghats, and at 3:40 a.m. in the monsoon, there was nothing on it. Just a wet road and 150 kilometers to go. Rain came around Khopoli. Proper monsoon rain on the windshield. The road went dark except for the headlights and the lane markers. The moon was still up when I came out the other side of the Ghats. That deep blue before sunrise. You only see it when you're already moving. Navi Mumbai came first. Then, ahead of it, the bridge appeared. The approach road bends, and then you see it, straight out across the water. 21 kilometers of open sea. The Mumbai Trans-Harbour Link. The Atal Setu. Opened January 12, 2024. India's longest sea bridge. At 6:29 in the morning, sea on both sides of the car, the sky turning orange, the city somewhere ahead in the haze. It took about 12 minutes to cross. 12 minutes where you're suspended between land and water. Nothing around you except the bridge and the ocean. The engineering took nearly a decade. From here it just looks like a line across the sea. The Mumbai skyline appears on the far side, slowly, then all at once. South Mumbai at 7 in the morning, 2 hours early. The streets hadn't started yet. That particular silence that a big city has only in that window between night and the working day. We drove through it slowly. Marine Drive, 3.6 kilometers of seafront, completed in 1940. The seafront road that runs from Nariman Point along the Arabian Sea. I walked for about 45 minutes, down to the water's edge, back along the promenade, into the streets behind Nariman Point. Mumbai in the monsoon at 7 a.m. is genuinely quiet. That's the word. Not empty. There are people, cars, movement. But the scale of the city works in your favor at that hour. Nariman Point, Mumbai's financial district, built on land reclaimed from the Arabian Sea. 9 a.m. The building is right on the water at Nariman Point. We were done by 10:45. Documents submitted. Wait up to 90 days. The Tata Punch EV was at 21% on the battery. The Oberoi Hotel, just a few minutes from Nariman Point, has a Tata Power 60 kilowatt DC fast charger in its parking level. 21 to 89% in under an hour. Cost, approximately 300 rupees. Enough to get home with a comfortable margin. Atal Setu again, this time at 10:45 a.m. in full daylight. The crossing feels completely different going the other way. Same 21.8 kilometers. Same sea on both sides. But the monsoon clouds had built back up, and the light was flat and dramatic in a different way from the dawn crossing. Mumbai behind, Pune ahead, the city shrinking in the rear view. The Mumbai-Pune expressway return, back into the Ghats. The expressway itself is remarkable. India's first 6-lane divided highway, built across the Sahyadri mountain range, opened in 2002. It follows the natural contours of the Ghats fairly closely, which makes the geometry feel intentional. Intentional and dramatic. In peak monsoon, the hills on either side are a green you don't see at any other time of year. 65-million-year-old basalt, covered in something impossible. The Western Ghats, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, one of the 8 hottest biodiversity hotspots on Earth. The Sahyadri Range, the backbone of the Konkan coast. The missing link, that is the actual name, National Highway 48. The cable-stayed bridge at Khalapur, opened 2022. It cuts through the hardest section of the Ghats between Khopoli and Khalapur. Before it was built, this section added 40 minutes to every single Mumbai-Pune journey because the terrain made a conventional road impossible. The solution was a cable-stayed bridge through the mountain pass itself. I stopped at the midpoint viewpoint. Let the camera run for a while. The valley below is the Ulhas River Basin. In the monsoon, it's completely filled with cloud. Back down from the Ghats. The Deccan Plateau. The rain is lighter on this side. The Sahyadri blocks the heavy Arabian Sea moisture, and what gets through to the eastern slope is drier. The sky opens up. The highway straightens. Home is an hour away. Denori, Pune. 2 in the afternoon. 300 kilometers. 10.5 hours. One charge stop. 60 kilowatts. 45 minutes. 300 rupees. That was the entire Mumbai to Pune and back EV running cost. If this one was worth it, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next drive.